Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Chairus fabric upholstered dining bench, a versatile piece that combines classic elegance with practical functionality. This bench is easy to assemble, with all necessary components conveniently located under the seat cushion, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Crafted from solid rubber wood, the sturdy frame and legs provide exceptional support, while the durable polyester and linen surface, coupled with thick foam padding, offer a soft and relaxing experience whether you're sitting or lying down. Wrapped in high-quality fabric and featuring highly resilient memory foam, this bench guarantees comfortable seating and can even double as a piano bench. Its neutral color design allows it to seamlessly blend with any decor, making it a perfect addition to your hallway, bedroom, living room, or even outdoor spaces like gardens and patios. The classic and retro design, highlighted by white brushed rubber wood legs, adds a touch of elegance to any room. And remember, if you encounter any quality issues, the company offers a free return policy and encourages you to reach out for any post-purchase assistance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.